In the golden era of Jamaican reggae, many stars rose from the streets with dreams of music, fame, and a better life. But behind the sweet melodies and powerful lyrics were stories filled with struggle, pain, and tragedy. One of the most mysterious and heartbreaking stories belongs to reggae singer Major Worries, a rising dancehall star with a unique voice and conscious lyrics, whose life ended violently at just 24 years old. This is the story of Major Worries and the mystery surrounding his death. Major Worries was born in Jamaica during a time when reggae and dancehall music ruled the streets. Growing up in Kingston, he was heavily influenced by the sound system culture that dominated Jamaican communities in the late 1970s and early 1980s. Like many young artists of that era, music became his escape from hardship and violence. He developed a style that mixed reality lyrics with militant energy and spiritual awareness. Fans quickly noticed his distinctive delivery and commanding voice. Major Worries began making waves in Jamaica's dancehall scene during the mid-1980s. At a time when artists like Yellowman, Josie Wales, and Barrington Levy were dominating the airwaves, Major Worries carved out his own lane. One of his best-known songs was Babylon Boops, a track that gained attention for its sharp social commentary and authentic street vibe. Unlike many artists chasing party hits, Major Worries often spoke about oppression, survival, and life in Jamaica's inner-city communities. This made him respected by hardcore reggae fans. By the late 1980s, Major Worries was becoming one of the most promising young voices in dancehall. Producers and selectors believed he had the potential to become a major international reggae star. His lyrics connected deeply with the youth, especially those facing poverty and violence in Kingston. But sadly, his rising career would soon come to a sudden and tragic end. In 1987, the reggae world was shocked by devastating news. Major Worries had been shot and killed in Jamaica. He was only 24 years old. Reports surrounding his death were surrounded by confusion and rumors. Some believed the killing was linked to street violence. Others suspected deeper issues connected to the dangerous environment many artists faced during that era. But to this day, many questions remain unanswered. His death became yet another painful reminder of how violence claimed the lives of many talented Jamaican entertainers during the 1980s. Even though his career was short, Major Worries left a lasting mark on reggae and dancehall culture. Fans still remember his fearless lyrics and authentic style. Many reggae collectors and old-school dancehall fans continue to celebrate his music decades after his death. His story also reflects a larger reality in Jamaican music history, where many talented artists never got the chance to fully reach their potential. Today, Major Worries remains one of reggae's forgotten soldiers, a young artist with talent, passion, and a powerful voice, silenced far too soon. But through his music, his message still lives on. And for reggae fans around the world, Major Worries will always be remembered as a rising star whose light faded before its time. What do you think really happened to Major Worries? Do you remember his music? Leave your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more hidden stories from reggae history here on Reggae Time Capsule.